Andrew Kuria mwenye umri wa miaka 10 anasemekana kujitia kitanzi kwenye mti huu wa parachichi ulio nyumbani kwao eneo la Rititi, kaunti ya Nyeri. Inadaiwa kuwa mamake alikuwa amemzomea kuhusu masomo ya ziada kabla ya shule kufunguliwa katika muhula huu wa 3.
I told him to finish up his homework because we were resuming school today. And I left him in the house. Later on, he was joined by his elder sister, and they continued doing their homework in the house. Around 11, I went back to the house, and I didn't find him there. I asked the sister, where is Kuria? He just went out, but he didn't say where he was going. I went back to the salon because he liked playing a lot, so I thought he was with his friends. Then at around 11:30, I went back to the house and checked on him. He was still not around. And then I went to the loo. When I was coming back from the loo, that's when I saw him hanging from a tree.
Kulingana na mwalimu wake katika shule ya msingi ya Karatina, alikuwa ametishia kuwa angejitia kitanzi.
He had told some other students in the class that he's going to commit suicide. That was reported to me, and I called the parent. We talked to the boy. I talked to the parent. We cancelled the boy. And in fact, the case was, he calmed down. He became a normal boy once again.
The report was made to the police. The body was removed to mortuary, awaiting postmortem, and the investigations are on to actually unearth what triggered the boy to take away his life at such a very tender age of 10.
Na katika mtaa huu wa Makongeni hapa Nairobi, familia hii inamsaka mwana wao kwa jina Joshua Onyango Ongoko aliyetoweka Jumatatu iliyopita alipokuwa akicheza na wenzake.
Kutoka na wenzake, na wakati wenzake walirudi yeye hakurudi. Wakasema wamemwacha akiwa wanavaa viatu, walikuwa kwa nyanya yao hapa Viai. Sasa wakati ikifika jioni tukifikiria atarudi vile anarudi kila siku, hakurudi. Sasa ukienda kuangalia wakapata kumbe alishatoka huko anakuja nyumbani na hakufika.
Wanasema kuwa juhudi zao za kumsaka Joshua hazijafua dafu. Joshua ni mwanafunzi wa shule ya msingi ya Our Lady of Mercy hapa Nairobi. Kwa sasa wanamuomba yeyote aliye na ripoti kuhusu Joshua kupiga ripoti katika kituo cha polisi cha Makongeni. Diana Kendi, QTV.